when you are visiting to Vietnam, the most interesting north of Vietnam is the Sunday market. But today is almost the end of the year, so every city or towns there is summit the traditional market. Yeah, it's the funny thing is the market is right in the middle of the roads like this. Both sides is the car and the motorcycle still running. See, it's very special. Oh, this is minority people like Yao people, Hmong people, Thai people. They selling their products like agriculture products, like see all the veggies, sugar cane, pumpkin, tea leaf. Yeah, because it's the local people of Vietnam is they prepare for their New Year's. Prepared for their New Year's. They will buy a lot of things, special food, and yeah. This is one of the special culture you should visit when you arrive in Vietnam. So when you book a tour, you know, like the guy should show you about this when you are on the road. Yeah, this is like a special leaf they use to cover the rice cake, to making cake. Yeah, special exchange nut, beans, yeah, ginger, bamboo shoot, very special. See, right in the middle, car and truck is in both sides like this. Yeah. Sticky rice. Yeah. Every New Year we use this leaf to make traditional cake. Yeah. Very busy. This culture you need to visit when you visit Vietnam during 10th holiday, lunar New Year. Most special is this is noodle, bean proud. Yeah, most special should do with the Easy Rider motorbike tour, because the motorbike will bring you deep into the culture and local life and landscape. Yeah. Check with us for more. We are the original Easy Rider Vietnam. Remember, the founded Easy Rider Vietnam in 1995. Thank you, and thank you for your follower.